TJ fan resistor replacement. Passenger side under the glove box. There'll be this plate here with 4 8-centimeter screws, 2 in the back, 1 up here and 1 up here somewhere. You'll get that off, and then there's 2 more on the sides of the old one. Pull that out. There's this little annoying red thing here. You like pull the outsides and then pull it up, however that worked. And then a second step, you push in and then you pull out. Make sure it's going the right way. And let me check quick. I think the car has to be on that dark. Yeah. Yeah, that works. All 4 settings. There it goes. Clickety clack. Done. Yeah. 98 TJ. I was just fan resistor replaced. Alright. End of video.